The 10 Best Network Cable Testers. Whether you're responsible for a corporate LAN or some simple peer-to-peer connections, ensuring the integrity of your network, and particularly its cabling, is essential. This diverse assortment of testers will assist any technicians or homeowners checking for faulty lines or broken USB cables, mapping out a single copper run, or even verifying an entire fiber backbone. The list starts from Dock Cooler 4-in-1 meter. The inexpensive Dock Cooler 4-in-1 meter, around $15, would make a practical addition to any home toolkit. It's capable of finding faults in 4 types of cable, and its uncomplicated display enables even non-technical users to track down those issues. Compatible with USB Type-B, works with 2 remote points, but has no built-in memory. Check out linked in description to buy this product from Amazon. 9th one is TrendNet TCNT3. A pass-fail mode lets the TrendNet TCNT3, around $65, process large jobs quickly, while a continuous setting accommodates cables ending in different locations. USB testing rounds out the list of things this particular model can accomplish. Finds cross-connected pins, hub and switch identifier, but not the most durable option. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Klein Tools Parent, voice, data, and video problems can all be addressed with the Klein Tools Parent. About $74. This compact device performs shield detection, pinpoints open and short faults, and has a slew of remote connectors for identifying multiple cable runs in a single step. Can generate different tones, coaxial barrel adapter, but doesn't measure cable length. Well, here is the 7th one. Noyafa AT278 Multifunctional. The Noyafa AT278 Multifunctional, about $135, offers a surprising amount of features for its relatively low price point. The most obvious of which is its full-color display. It's designed for use with metal wires, so fiber users should look elsewhere. TF card slot for data storage. Resists AC interference, but has some DHCP issues. You should look into this product. It was surely well marketed. Nettali Link Sprinter. If you're in a hurry, the Nettali Link Sprinter, around $371, is a smart choice. With the push of a button, you can get full end-to-end testing, and then have the results sent to a cloud-based reporting system you can access with your mobile device. Can email diagnostics automatically, can add comment or photos to results, but app can be finicky. Now we will show you the 5th product in the list, NetScout 2000 Link Runner. The NetScout 2000 Link Runner, about $2,200, offers multiple discovery protocols that can find the nearest switch and provide detailed information, including VLAN IDs, port speed, and connection type. It comes with a handy carrying case for portability, sends results to Windows computers, works with cables and fiber optics, but only stores up to 50 reports at once. Customers are king, and according to them, one should buy this one. T3 Net Prowler. The T3 Net Prowler, around $1,213, is a dependable handheld model that will find broke DHCP servers, check internet connectivity, and tell you all about IP devices you didn't know were there. The simple graphical interface makes the information readily accessible. Custom app to work with results, pings up and URL addresses, but runs on 6Ah batteries. If you want cost-efficient, this new one is for you. Fluke Cable IQ. A rugged, lightweight design makes the portable Fluke Cable IQ APPX $1,149 a good choice for tricky and tough environments. From locating interference to mapping complicated copper infrastructure, it's up to the task, even on a live network. VoIP compliance support, advanced qualification mode, but insertion loss diagnostics. According to reviews, the second best product is Trip Light Fiber. With dual wavelength source settings, the Trip Light Fiber, about $305, works in both single and multi-mode optical networks. It is equipped with threaded FC connectors that hold tight even through high vibrations, and a micro USB port to keep its battery charged. Power loss measurements, multiple frequency settings, but 1-year warranty. Now here is our best of best the King product. Fluke Micro Scanner 2. The Fluke Micro Scanner 2, about $2,525, includes everything you would expect from this well-regarded company. Whether you're looking to check telephone lines in your home or develop a complex fiber map of your business, this comprehensive kit has got you covered. Graphical wire map display, simultaneous dual wavelength test bit, stores up to 1,000 test results.